Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall apps on your CUBOT King Kong 7. So to do this, you have to just go to the settings. Next you have to go for the apps and notifications. And here click to see all apps that you have on your device. And if you want to remove any of it, like for example, we can try to get rid of YouTube Music. Okay, we actually cannot do this because that's the system application, but I believe that maybe we will be able to remove the Chrome. Nope. But basically you will have right here, instead of the disable button, the uninstall button, and you have to hit the uninstall button, click OK, and it will be finished. And if you want to remove like this all system apps, you cannot do this actually, because that's the system apps. We can only turn them off, but we cannot get rid of them of our phone. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.